work is well defined. I urge you to exploit this important opportunity to generate a robust framework for addressing the existential crisis of our time. On that note, I would like to announce to you that Kenya is privileged to have the honor of co-hosting the inaugural Africa Climate Summit to be held from the 4th to the 6th of September this year here in Nairobi. The summit will be Africa's opportunity to refine its position in preparation for COP28, which I hope is going to be the last COP for us to host, where we expect to articulate our agenda in a strong, clear, united, and effective voice. I take this opportunity to welcome you back to Nairobi for the summit. And I hope we will all have the resolve of making COP28 the last COP that we are going to hold as humanity. I am told that there are preparations for COP29. I think they should be cancelled. Because it is possible for us to agree on a framework that will bring everybody on board. And as a continent, we will be going to COP28 with a clear mind on what we need to do and how Africa and the Global South can work with the Global North, not as adversaries, but as partners to be able to resolve the climate crisis and present ourselves the opportunity to have a win-win outcome that has no finger pointing. I am a very strong believer that with the right investments, Africa can present the opportunity to decarbonize global manufacturing and industrialization and provide for green growth. This is not an occasion for us to do the usual, North versus South. I think it will be irresponsible of us to continue that conversation. The South is as in danger as is the North on this matter of climate change. None of us is safe. And therefore, we should act in concert, we should act together, and we should seek a win-win outcome. The second session of the UN Habitat Assembly is now officially open, and I thank you.